Good morning from sunny Australia at the moment. We've got a beautiful day, even though it's a little tad hot. I think it's going to reach up to 34 degrees Celsius today. So a little tad hot, but anyway, we'll just bear with it. Okay, what I'm going to try today is the Dutch pour Duvelaki thing, but I'm going to see if the Mont pouring paints will give me a good Dutch pour. So that'll be interesting. I probably should have watered them down, I'm not sure, but I'm going to use some of the Mont pouring paints, and I'm going to use some of the Mont acrylics. So it'll be a bit of a mixture of both, but I just want to see what they are like when I give it the Aussie blow, I'll call it. Yeah, we'll just go with it. I might layer the canvas with the acrylics and then use this. Anyway, I will explain as I go along. So it will be a mixture of the Mont Studio Acrylics and the Mont pouring paints, which these paints are all pre-mixed, ready to go. I have the supplier's link in the drop-down box for Australia, US, Canada. We haven't yet got a supplier, or I can't find who supplies them in the UK, but apparently you can get them from Amazon, I believe. So yeah, in the UK, I believe so, but yet to have that confirmed officially. So it's going to be a kind of, yeah, it'll be a Dutch pour, or should I say an Aussie blow. Yeah, an Aussie blow. Okay, this is probably a bit thicker than some. I will just go with it. I will just use my fingers because I love finger painting too, so it's all good. Don't get stressed if you're what you call it, obsessive compulsive, and you've got to do it all neat with a spatula, then that's what you must do. So you can do that, but those of us that like to get down and dirty and put your fingers in it, do so. It's good therapy. It feels good to get your hands in there on the paint, feeling the paint. It's good, all good. Okie doke. I'm going to pour, this was like a navy that I made up out of the, it was the dark phthalo blue, and I put a blob of black and a blob of green, but I didn't want it to go too dark because the last couple of days I've made this navy and it's gone really dark, so try not to have it go too dark this time. As I said, the suppliers and my pouring medium recipe is underneath this video in the descriptions. So if you ask me in a comment where for it, I will just divert you there to have a look there. I have lots of videos for beginners on my different techniques, or making up custom colors, or what's the other thing I get asked? Oh, beginners videos, how to mix the paints and ratios. I've got all those videos there, so just have a look for them. They are there. So I might just add a little bit of the my pouring medium to this white paint, just to get it a little bit thinner, so when I come to use it for the blow, the Aussie blow, it'll hopefully blow nicely because it's a little bit thinner, because I think that would, yeah, that's probably okay now, that particular consistency. Okay, I think I need another cup of coffee. Okay, all good. So half navy, half white. Have some fun now. I will use the nice, I think I'll go the dark purple. Got one open there, the dark purple. Got to try and think of what I want to blow, what side. Try and just have a little bit of a think about it, which I've been up since 3 o'clock this morning. I just could not sleep, so I'm not thinking straight. I don't think. I wanted to get in my art room then, but I thought, oh no, come on, that's a bit obsessive, and I didn't. I was good. So that's the thing with these lovely pouring paints. You don't have to do any mixing, don't have to think about it. So that was the dark purple. I have this hot pink. So that's going to look beautiful on the navy. Okay, I've got some even hotter Shiraz, even hotter pink. If there's any hotter, hot. So I might go along the whole top of that, like so. Okay. Where are we? I'll put a nice contrast and I'll throw in there. I'll go some of the ultramarine. Give it a good shake. It's very highly pigmented, so I suggest you do wear gloves, probably just with this paint. But yeah, just be interesting to see if I can get the Dutch or the Aussie blow out of this particular paint. So this is the little silver. So they have all the metallics and everything, which is quite nice. I'm going to run the silver down there. Might run a bit of silver there. I'm going to I put some of the yellow into the cup and I added a few drops of the Helmar silicone to this one. It's yellow. I'm going to run it right over the top. See how we go. Okay, that's that. I'm going to pour some more of the paint to see what the Aussie blow does. Go. I never have really bothered to do much of this technique. It's not so, yeah, I just haven't really bothered to do this much very often. My friend Jilly loves it though. I'm going to move my big container of paints out the way because I'm sure I'll go AWOL with my hairdryer. So all good at the minute. We'll just go for it, hey? What? Just trying to think now. Think. Okay. Let's see how we go. Over for my heat gun. I've decided that I'm pretty crap at this blow technique. I'm not real good. I mean, it looks pretty because it looks like, yeah, another Santa's vomit. Oh, it's got my little heat one. I want to see if I can bring up some little cells in it, but okay. Not impressed. That's more my failure because I'm not real happy with that one. I'm sure you'll let me know what you think about it. I'll have a think. I may come back and give it a swipe across. I think I will, hey? Bear with me. Oh, sorry, I'm just trying to get this going. Okay, I'm going to regroup, soldiers, and I'm going to see what I can do with it, hey? Might run some of that yellow through. Okay guys, I'll go to plan B. I was gonna swipe it through because I'm not happy, Jan, with that one. Kind of looks a bit, yeah, like a rainbow in a storm or something, but I'm going to bring in the trusty old balloon because, as you know, I'm always trying to save my paws with balloons. So here we go, we just give it a go. In for, oh, okay. That's pretty. Maybe I'll push that in down that end. So if I run the balloon only through the center, maybe. Think. The balloon looks pretty. So it might add a bit of interest where there's no interest. Yeah, paint's a little bit too wet to I probably should come back to do this, but I'm here and I'll just go with it at the minute. See how just through the centers quite just gives it a different composition altogether, and it's actually bringing those lovely colors up from the pouring paint. Okay, I'm losing my colour now, aren't I? I could add some, should I put this brown navy blob in this? Oh, I like that. Oh, I love my balloons, I really do. I love what they can create. I don't mind that. That's probably just try a little baby balloon. Oh, that's so much better. I'm happier with that. Much happier with that now. I mean, it's my work of art. So if I feel happy, and the same if you're doing it, it's when you're at the point that you feel okay about it. Doesn't matter what anybody else thinks or says. I'm at that point that I'm okay with that now. I will put some photos on at the end. It's actually quite nice, and I will post some dry photos on my Acrylic Art by Julie Cube pouring page. We'll see how it dries. But there you go. It's my it's a Dutch pour with an Aussie blow and some Aussie balloon art. Gilly art. It's been gillified. There you go. It's gillified, and you all know what that means. Lots of balloon work. Okay, thanks guys for joining me. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Until next time, bye for now.